Hi there, I am Habib Ahmed Shah from Habib's English Academy. Today we are going to learn something about the competitive examinations like CSS, PCS, PMS, FPSC, PPPSC, KPPSC and BPSC, Balochistan Public Service Commission. Today our topic is not only about the information but also this topic is related to us and our environment. Get interested in it, listen it to till the end, and see you change your thinking about how to use the plastic waste, how much to use the plastic waste, etc. Today our topic is plastic waste, a convenient catastrophe. Plastic, which we nowadays use in almost everything. Plastic, which is a very convenient solution to many problems. Plastic, which is ease. Plastic, which is facility. But being ease, it is also a convenient catastrophe, a convenient destruction for our environment and our earth as a whole. Earth is our mother earth, but using the plastic waste, we spoil everything that is present. So plastic waste is an easy destruction, easy and convenient catastrophe. Let's delve into the introduction of plastic waste, a convenient catastrophe. How is plastic waste a convenient thing and it is also a catastrophe together? Let's get started. Introduction. Plastic waste has become a ubiquitous problem worldwide with severe consequences for environment, human health and the economy. Nowadays, everyone uses plastic, and everywhere we are to use plastic because of different reasons. So, it has become a ubiquitous problem, a problem that is present everywhere in the world, and it is playing havoc with a lot of things, including environment. Our environment is getting spoiled, like the rivers, lakes, oceans and seas, everything in the environment. And human health, our health is also deteriorating because of a lot of use of plastic. We think in the upcoming part of our lecture also we are going to discuss how it is affecting our environment, but over here we would be discussing that for human health it is very much problematic. Small debris of plastic gets into our food unknowingly. We are eating the plastic and it is very detrimental for our overall health and the economy as well. Our economy also is getting back because of the use of plastic. The convenience of plastic products has led to a catastrophic accumulation of waste, which demands immediate attention and collective action. Plus, using plastic is very convenient, as in other lots of things, it is very difficult to use. For an instance, making a pot out of earthen soil, mud. It is very difficult. However, using plastic is very convenient because it is made in the factories. The bottles are made in the factories, and when one person has to work hard for 2, 3, 4, 5 hours for making a pot of clay, at the same time, just in 5 minutes, there can be produced 500 bottles of plastic. So, using plastic has become convenient, but it is also very detrimental, very hazardous, very catastrophic for our overall health. So, it is catastrophic and accumulation of waste. It demands immediate attention. Nowadays, our world is having a great surge, the fastest surge ever of climate change. And it needs plastic waste management needs our immediate fast attention. Otherwise, this world, this earth is going to perish. And also collective action. Not only a particular individual, but also the whole communities should take their part, should play their role to reduce the plastic waste and have plastic waste management. Statistics, some of the hazards that plastic waste is causing to the world. What are these? 8 million tons plastic waste enters the world's oceans every year. In a single year, 8 million tons of plastic waste. How much would be 8 million ton? It would be like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. 8 million. This much tons, not kilos, but tons of plastic waste enters the world's oceans every single year. In 2 years, it would be like 8 and 16 million tons of plastic that is entering the world, and it is not less. It is humongous. It is elephantine. Harming marine life, whatever fish, tortoise, turtles, whatever marine life exists in the ocean, that all marine life is affected due to this, and it contaminates the food chain. How does it contaminate the food chain? In marine life, the fish might eat the plastic, and that fish will be eaten by other fish, and that other fish or the same first fish will be eaten by the human beings. Thus, what would happen? We are eating the plastic indirectly, and that will affect our health. We will become weak. In this way, this is contaminating the food chain as a whole. Some animals will die, perish, completely get extincted from the earth, and then as a result we will also be suffering, because in the food chain, if one thing gets disturbed, all the food chain gets disturbed. 8 million tons. Second statistics is 1 trillion plastic bags are used worldwide each year, with many ending up in landfills, oceans, and other environments. 8 trillion ton, the number which most of the people have never ever heard in their life. 8 million ton plastic bags, the plastic bags that we use, every year they go and end up in landfills. They are filled in the lands and oceans, seas, water bodies like ponds, etc., and they are polluting all our environment. 1 trillion. What would be 1 trillion? For an instance, it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, million, after million, 100 billion, then trillion. So this is a trillion, which is a huge number with lots of zeros. These all plastic bags are used in the environment. So it is humongous, and these all plastic bags are just wasting our whole earth. Therefore, the climate change is increasing day by day by day. 500 billion plastic bags once again, used annually, with only 30% being recycled. Plastic bottles. Here would be the plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are used. 500 billion plastic bottles are used annually, with 30% being recycled only. 100% are used and only 30% are recycled. And all the other are wasted throughout the ponds, landfills, water, roads, earth, soil, etc. And these things are very difficult to biodegrade. Plastic bottles or any sort of plastic is very difficult to biodegrade. They are non-biodegradable, and 100,000 marine animals killed by plastic debris each year. Because of the plastic debris, whatever plastic is saved, they go into the ocean, and turtles eat it, fish eat it. Therefore, 100,000 marine animals are killed each other. Environmental impact, pollution. Now, these things are that how our environment is impacted by these sort of things. Pollution number one. Plastic waste contaminates soil, air, and water, affecting ecosystems and health. This plastic waste contaminates our soil, it contaminates and spoils our air, all the air that is present, and also water specifically, and it affects our ecosystem as a whole. For ecosystem, please watch our video that is in the PSC, JEST, and small test 5 to 15 grade preparation test, in which we have discussed the ecosystem as a whole, and it also affects our health, which is a very detrimental thing. Climate change is increasing day by day. The plastic is attracting more sunlight. The plastic is doing a lot of harm to the climate, and therefore the climate change is increasing every year. We see that there are warmer winters, colder summers. The temperature is getting extreme and extreme. And marine life, as we discussed already, is getting affected very much. What is marine life? Once again, the life in ocean. Whatever animals live in the ocean, that is called marine life. Plastic waste debris harms marine life from entanglement to ingestion. In different ways, this plastic waste contaminates the environment. Sometimes they entangle it, they eat it, and here it stuck to them. And ingestion, sometimes they get it inside, and their inside system of digestion cannot digest it, and thus they die. So this was plastic waste, a convenient catastrophe. I hope you like this all video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe our video, and watch more for next ones. Thank you so much. Goodbye.